How to fix Disney Plus error code 87. Here are some tips that would help fix Disney Plus error code 87. 1. Try logging out Disney Plus. 2. Try clearing current cookies on your device. 3. Check on the email address and ensure you're using the same ID you used when signing up for Disney Plus. 4. Try re-adding your profile into Disney Plus. 5. Recheck or reset your Disney Plus password. FYI, your Disney Plus password needs to be at least 6 characters in length and contain at least one number or one special character.